Okay, here's Kate fishing. See the bobber out there on the water? Here's Queenie coming to supervise. Big German Shepherd. And then, back here, we have Forrest.
Who is my Brody?
Getting ready to shoot some fish.
Oh, and there goes Queenie swimming.
Oh, yes, Queenie's going to take a swim. She's going to go in and get those catfish herself. We're not going to bother with that fishing hook and worm business.
Good luck.
Do you have pike in here?
No. He's dreaming.
I'm going to catch the teeth in a deep. The teeth in a really, really, really deep thing here.
Interesting clouds today.
Very.
Not that way. Check out
We're
one
going to
out.
do some fish swindling. It looks like a tidal
Go
wave.
up by the barn, between the barn and the house. Check it out.
Oh, yeah, that thing looks like it has a story to tell.
It looks like the top of us.
Nah, it looks like the top of a drag, and see his head coming out and his eyeballs up there and his feet coming up.